Let's go through LeetCode 2799, count complete subarrays in an array. It gives us integer array nums, and let's count the complete subarrays counts. So what is a complete subarray? Is that the number of distinct elements in the subarray equals to the number of distinct elements in the whole array. So the first step we want is that we count how many distinct elements in this kind of nums array. We can use a set in a count the set size. And then what we need is that we can use two pointers. Initially, the left pointer and the right pointer both set at index 0. And we keep moving the right pointer until we have have our left to right compose all of the distinct elements in these nums, right? So we know this kind of right pointer is sitting in a position which can be a candidate, right? And what we need to do next is that we are going to move in our left pointer, and for example, to I, until the I to right just moving out of the condition that it from I to right has the count of distinct element. So we know that if left is at a position I minus 1, right, it is satisfied the condition from I minus 1 to right. It has total, has a distinct element equals total distinct element count. So we know if we have I minus 1 to I to right satisfy the condition, we know any superset, right, will also satisfy the condition. So we know from this 0 to I minus 1, this kind of counts can add to our total result. And then we keep moving our right pointer, right? And also we shrink our left pointer because this part increases, right? So our left pointer will not go back, right? Because we have more element. So at least we'll stay in the same positions. So in this case, both the left pointer and the right pointer, they are keeping moving. So if, for example, the right goes here, or left goes here, right? And then we'll have this, for example, j minus 1, j, right? 0 to j minus 1 will also add to our result. So we keeping right, adding, moving right pointer and find the left pointer which is just moving out of the condition that have just have this part does not equal to the total distinct number, right? We know, for example, this j doesn't meet the condition, but that means j minus 1 to right meet the condition, right? So every time we add from 0 to this j minus 1, or 0 to I minus 1, right? Add those kind of parts to the sum. So let's write code for this. So we need a set integer to count the total distinct numbers for int nums set at number. And for this kind of array, if we want to see if this subarray contains for example, the counts, right, total counts or not, we cannot use set because if it can have duplicate. for example, 1, 1, right? And so we should use a map, right? Once the map counts equals to 0, we move out, we delete that from the map. So we can use a map integer to have to count the element with its frequency. New hash map. So what we need to do is for let's have int n equals nums dot length, n equals set dot size, and result equals to 0, and the left equals to 0. So what we do is for int right equals to 0, right smaller than n, right plus. So we'll have map merge nums right one. So we'll see while this kind of map data size equals to m means we have all of the distinct numbers. Uh, then we can move our left pointer, right? Map merge nums left. So we are -1 to somewhere. We'll have that. So once so we move nums left from our map, update the counts, right, frequency. So that means that if nums left becomes 0, then we should delete. Because we use this map size as a while condition, we should delete this from the map, right? So we write if map get nums left equals 0, remove nums left, right? So after we jumping out of this while loop, we just have left result plus equal to left. In the end, return result. The time complexity will be O(n), right? Because this we 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 right pointer and the left pointer, they never go back. So every element we will be pointed by right pointer or left pointer once. And space complexity is that at the most we'll have m elements, right, in this set or map. So it will be OM. Python code will be very similar. We need let's import a dictionary from collections, import default thing. Then what we do is that we'll have a unique count, u count equals length of set nums. And we have count map equals default date, have an int type, and the result left is there, right? For right in range, let's have n as well, right? N equals length nums. So we'll have count map nums, right? you should this one should increase by one, right? So we'll say while this kind of length on map equals the unique count, we're going to have on map nums left that decrease by one, right? So we'll say if we count map nums left equals to 0, we're going to delete count map nums left. Yes. And our left pointer should move, right? And after jumping this while loop, our result should add equal to left. And then return result.